In 2024, we've had over 50,000 wildfires, burning over 8.4 million acres. That's about 1.5 million acres over the yearly average. It's gone to where we don't really have much of a fire season anymore, in the sense that we do have a fire year. Open data is the backbone of any of the public information efforts that go on outside of wildfire and beyond in any emergency scenario.
Here at Esri, we rely on GitHub extensively, both inside the company to manage our repos for building our GIS. It's also external, where we've contributed to more than 600 different repos publicly in projects that others can take advantage of.
San Bernardino County Fire Protection District is the largest in the United States. Last year, we ran 196,000 calls. Most of our budget is spent on actual fire engines and firefighters who respond to these emergencies. The fire service is very limited in our ability to interpret data. We're tracking the vehicles, we're tracking the devices, we're using drones and robotics to collect information, we're using satellite imagery, but all these data points have to be aggregated somewhere.
Esri is a software company. We're tool builders. What we build is called Geographic Information Systems, or GIS. We use that information to create maps and information products like dashboards or mobile tools that are in the field to help people explore and navigate that world.
We empower users to do everything from go out before a fire, assess risk on the landscape,
Being able to instantly pull up historical fires that have burned in the same area. Once you know what those fires did in the past, even if it was 50 years ago, that's where we need to go.
being able to document where they're putting in suppression features, all the way to the recovery operations.
We really rely on software like Esri to provide better dashboards for us to put our firefighters at the right place, at the right location, at the right time. Where are the actual structures? What is the satellite imagery showing? Where is the fire line? And all of this is now in real time, and you're able to stay ahead of the fire. Open source data, like you would see at GitHub, allows that collaboration between public safety, the software providers, and citizens that just have an interest in how can we make our environment better.
It's core to who we are, is trying to connect organizations together to give them the best tool possible to make the best decision at the time they need it.
Open source data and combining it with the public safety data has really given us better platforms to inform the public. That ultimately is going to lead to saving more lives.